Who are basic press release distributions for? Well, basic press release distributions are for any website owner, business owner, affiliate site owner, e-commerce store, any site. In most cases, if you make an update on your site, if you have anything that's newsworthy to talk about, then this is a great way to build authoritative links for a low cost. Anybody that's out there that needs to get a bunch of referring domains and backlinks from news sources to your pages, this service is for you. If you're looking for a low-cost solution in order to get backlinks to your pages so you can increase your overall authority, your DR, DA, or trust flow, this service is for you. So if you're a local business, again, any type of website, any type of pages, as long as you don't overdo it, this particular service is for your site. On top of that, local businesses, this is magnificent. You get embeds, you can embed your YouTube videos or your maps. On top of that, you can do different types of, not promotions, but releases. You know, any little thing can be considered a press release. Any little thing. You update your website. Hey, X website has gotten a new admin, or they've updated their theme, or they have a better user experience. I've seen all different types. So this is for any website owner that's looking for a bunch of links for a low cost that are going to be safe. So my name is Chris Palmer with chrispalmer.org, and this answers the question, who are press releases for? They're for anybody that wants to get a boost for a low cost safely. I'll see you in the next one. See you at the store. Bye-bye.